Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a hotel in the Hyatt Inclusive Collection application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the search hotel button and then just search for any hotel. And as you can see here, you can find information on rooms, hotel map, restaurants and bars, and different entertainment programs. So now you can just scroll through. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.